Hi everybody, and welcome to my presentation on the New Directions and Checkers program, a comprehensive behavioral health care or CBHCare. Their mission statement is to provide optimum behavioral health care that is aligned with consumer and community needs. Care will treat individuals, families, and community with respect and dignity, regardless of race, gender, sexual orientation, disability, illness, or age. And they are committed to accessible healthcare services that are delivered in a cost-effective manner. They work with you when it comes to pricing, and they will provide this care with creative and responsive treatment strategies for people who are confident in what they're doing. New Directions is a therapeutic after-school program for adolescents who are in need of intensive structured therapy to address serious emotional and behavioral issues. This program provides community-based therapeutic services that may eliminate the need for more restrictive out-of-home interventions and placements and is relatively inexpensive. Checkers or comprehensive therapeutic services for developmentally disabled adolescents. Psychiatric needs is geared towards developmentally disabled and lower functioning adolescents and is a one-of-a-kind program for adolescents with complex needs. New Directions runs Monday through Thursday from 4 p.m. to 7:15 p.m. Family therapy sessions, intakes, evaluations, and psychiatric appointments could be scheduled outside of regular program hours, and transportation is case-by-case basis, subject to availability. With monthly, weekend recreational and dinner outings available, and immediate response to referrals, psychiatric evaluation, ongoing assessment, medication monitoring, individual family group therapy, parent education groups and workshop groups, grief and loss, trauma and anger management groups, plan level system to chart progress. All consumers start off at level 1, which is the lowest, and they work towards level 4, which is the highest, where you have the most privileges and input into your treatment plan. And you must be in level 2 to attend the monthly weekend recreational and dinner outing. And I'm expected to take over therapy session with the adolescents, and I want to tailor this session towards positive coping mechanism skills for anxiety and or depression, like yoga, meditation, or nature hike. And with Checkers, we have therapeutic activities designed to enhance communication and social skills, independent living, self-esteem, and anger management groups, and with applying services to the consumers that we work with, it primarily is group therapy sessions. So, look at your kind of scheme of things. These two programs work most in Quadrant A, which is working with clients on their own behalf. You can find this on page 8 of Wood and Tully's 2006 Frame of Reference Model. But when it comes to obtaining referrals, or we work in Quadrant C, or we work with others, for example, non-clients for the behalf of clients, you can also find this on page 8 of Wood and Tully's 2006 Frame of Reference Model. We get referrals from psychiatric hospitals, DCP&P, schools, parole officers, courts, concerned caregivers, CMOs, care management organizations that are based in Bergen City County, and through another program run through CBHCare called CAR, or Kearney Adolescent Residential Experience. There is from the installation. I see an issue with maintaining and enforcing an impact with the consumers I work with if their caregivers are not enforcing and applying what's being ingrained into these adolescents at program. Many of the consumers desire to attend the New Directions program twice a week, so I have to be analytical and chronological in the observations that I make towards actual progress through thorough written documentation. There are many adolescents active in the New Directions program, with different adolescents coming in Monday through Thursday, and their determination date for successful completion of 6 months to a year, usually. So thus, it is innately difficult for me to put a name to a face when attending these programs. Some ethical issues I have encountered is a lot of the interns and staff look like me. So when it comes to socioeconomic status and ethnic card, there's not all I can garnish from that. Some of the consumers attending the New Directions program are there involuntarily court-mandated, so it's going to be difficult. It'll be more difficult making a lasting impact on those consumers. Here is a referral page for New Directions and Checkers program. Feel free to call them at 201-646-0333. Go on their website, cbhcare.com, and the CompCare is located in Hackensack. Here's the references page, a lot from CompCare and Wood and Tully. And thank you very much for your time and attention.